welcome to Kalapriya Foundation for Indian Performing Arts' Cultural Sunday program. My name is Divya Mohan Little, and I am secretary of Kalapriya's board. And what really drew me to Kalapriya is its mission to bring India's artistic diversity through the performing arts in a way that preserves traditional South Asian art forms, but also makes sure that it continues to be relevant to our contemporary lives. As a longtime student of Bharatanatyam myself, when I was thinking of how I could ensure that my daughter would have a connection to her culture, it was a no-brainer to decide that she too could try and decide if she liked Indian classical dance. And luckily, we found Kalapriya, which is one of the most welcoming and diverse organizations where she can learn. Cultural Sundays were created to create community and to celebrate and share the various aspects of Indian culture with those interested in understanding it and being able to find that relevance in whether it's nonviolence or devotion and how that impacts our lives today. Today, I'm very excited because the Cultural Sunday features classical dance, which is obviously near and dear to my heart. And when we talk about India, we usually are referring to a giant subcontinent with 8 different political entities. And while it has all of that diversity, it also has a common culture with many influences. So here's my plug. I have to do it, but we can't do this work without you. It's been a brutal year for arts organizations, as many of you can imagine. And so in order to continue to bring you this important content and to maintain our dance academy, we could use all of the donations that you all are willing and able to give, and hopefully you find the program today worthwhile and worth your time, although just having you here today means so much to us. So here's the fun part. I'm really excited to introduce Ms. Ahila Devi Vigneshwaran. She comes to Kalapriya with 30 years of experience as a Bharatanatyam and music teacher, and she's led Kalapriya's Dance Academy since 2017 when she immigrated to America. And in the 4 years that she's been here, she has mastered English as well as the City of Chicago public transit system. So I'm really impressed. She leads our dance students, including Asha, my daughter, and she also runs our school programming across schools on the south side of the city. We really want to identify the areas that are common amongst all of us, regardless of nationality. And I think that the school programming really does that. So without further ado, I am going to turn it over to Ms. Ahila now.
Vanakkam. Today, we are going to present classical dancers of India. There are 8 classical dancers, but we are going to present 4 dancers today: Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Odissi, and Kuchipudi. The first one, we are going to present Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is the oldest Indian classical dance form that originated in the Tanjore district of southern India in Tamil Nadu, and regarded as the mother of many other classical dance forms of India. Let me explain the word Bharatanatyam to you. Ba is Bhavam, which means expression. Ra is Ragam, which means music. Ta is Talam, which means beat or rhythm. And Natyam means dance in the Tamil language. Bharatanatyam, formerly called Sadir, was conventionally performed by Devadasis, girls who danced as an offering to gods in the Hindu temples of South India. Firstly, it was initiated in the Hindu temples of Tamil Nadu and eventually flourished in South India. Sofia Salingaros was born in San Antonio, Texas. Sofia has trained in Bharatanatyam under the guidance of Guru Dr. Sridhara Hakilbalu from the age of 9. She has given numerous solo performances in the US and abroad, including Nardagana Sabha for Karthik Fine Arts and Bepanchi Arts Festival in Chennai. Sofia also learns from Srimati Rama Vaidyanathan and performed in her international tours of Vivartana. She is a 2013 Young Arts finalist and 2017 to 2018 Indian Raga Fellow. Meenachi Memudum Dehi. Ragam, Purvi Kalyani, Talam, Adi, composer, Muthuswami Dikshidhar, choreography, Guru Dr. Sridhara Hakilbalu. This piece is about Goddess Meenakshi. It says, Goddess Meenakshi, give me eternal bliss with beautiful green eyes. She is the goddess of Madurai, the knower of all that can be known. She relieves us of struggle. Her beauty reveals that of the moon. She is the one who created the 10 notes of the Veena, the compassionate one, the beloved of Mahadeva. This item is preceded by a Pushpanjali, offering of flowers in Raga Mandolika, Tista Tirupura Talam. Now, Sophia.
இடதகடித்தோன்னும் தரிகிடதக தத்தித்தோன்னும் தீத்தோன்னும் தோன்னும் தகடொன்னும் இடதகடித்தோன்னும் தரிகிடதக தத்தித்தோன்னும் தீத்தோன்னும் தோன்னும் தகடொன்னும் இடதகடித்தோன்னும் தரிகிடதக தத்தித்தோன்னும் தீத்தோன்னும் தோன்னும் தகடொன்னும் இடதகடித்தோன்னும் தரிகிடதக தத்தித்தோன்னும் தீத்தோன்னும் தகடொன்னும் இடதகடித்தோன்றும் தரிகிடதகதத்தித்தோன்றும் தீத்தோன்றும் தோன்றும் தகடொன்றும் இடதகடித்தோன்றும் தரிகிடதகதத்தித்தோன்றும் தீத்தோன்றும் தோன்றும் தகடொன்னும் இடதகடித்தோன்றும் தரிகிடதகதத்தித்தோன்றும் தீத்தோன்றும் தோன்றும் தகடொன்னும் இடதகடித்தோன்றும் தரிகிடதகதத்தித்தோன்றும் தீத்தோன்றும் தோன்றும் தகடொன்றும் 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 இடதகடித்தோன்றும் தரிகிடதகதரித்தணதகம் நிதாமரிசதணஜணுதகம் மப்பனி சரிசா ஜணுதிமிதகம் பப்பனிதமரிதிமிக்கிடதகம் சனிலரிசரி தரிதணதகம் நீனிரிசனிதமஜணஜணுதகம் சாசனிதரிமரிசா தரிதணதகம் தணஜணுதகம் ஜணுதிமிதகம் திமிக்கிடதகமுதாம் தகடிகுததிகிணதொம் தோன்றும் தகடிகுததிகிணதொம் தீத்தோன்றும் தகடிகுததிகிணதொம் தத்தித்தோன்றும் தீத்தோன்றும் தோன்றும் தகடொன்றும் இடதகடித்தோன்றும் தரிகிடதகதத்தித்தோன்றும் தீத்தோன்றும் தோன்றும் தாம் தீம் தரித தாம் தீம் தரிதமாப்ப நிசரிதோன்றும் ஜன்னுத்து தோன்றும் ஜனுதனிதமரிசதாம் தீம் தரித தாம் தீம் தரிதமாப்ப நிசரிதோன்றும் ஜன்னுத்து தோன்றும் ஜனுதனிதமரிசதரி தன்னத்த ஜனுத்த திமித்த தரித்ததாம் ஜனுத்ததாம் ஜனுத்ததாம் திமிகிடதாம் தரித்த தன்னத்த ஜனுத்த திமித்த தரித்ததாம் தனத்ததாம் ஜனுத்ததாம் திமிகிடதாம் தாத்தி தோன்றும் தரிதாம் தகடாம் ஜனுதாம் திமிதாம் தஜம் தரும் கடிம் தடி தாத்தி தோன்றும் தரிதாம் ஜனுதாம் ஜனுதாம் திமிதாம் தஜம் தரும் கடிம் தடி தாத்தி தோன்றும் ததி தோன்றும் தீத்தோன்றும் தோன்றும் தகடொன்றும் இடதகடித்தோன்றும் தரிகிடதகதத்தித்தோன்றும் தீத்தோன்றும் தோன்றும் தகடொன்றும் இடதகடித்தோன்றும் தரிகிடதகதத்தித்தோன்றும் தீத்தோன்றும் மீனாட்சி மீனாட்சி मीनाक्षी मीनाक्षी
The second item is Kathak, the graceful dance of North Indian origin. Kathak is one of the most charming dances of India. The themes of Kathak revolve around stories of Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Krishna. Kathak is world famous for its footwork and amazing spins. Devika Dir was born in Denver, Colorado. She has been studying Kathak for 6 years under Ustad Dilshad Khan and Bharatanatyam under me. Devika completed her Arangetram in 2017 under Priya Narayan. She studies several South Asian folk dance styles, including Malaysian dance. Studying these classical dance forms is both a gratifying way to stay connected to a culture and a powerful form of communicative expression. Tarana, Rag Kalavadi, composer, Pandit Briju Maharaj, choreography, Ustad Dilshad Khan. Tarana is a composition in Hindustani musical music and characterized by specific phonetic syllables or bold and set to beat of a fast tempo or laya. Poet Amir Khusro is credited with the invention of the tarana, which typically consists of a repetitive bass melody complemented by a second contrasting melody. The Kalavadi rag is considered to be a modern rag, originally derived from the Carnatic rag Yagapriya, and is associated with the late evening or midnight time of day. It is known to be a particularly melodious rag that eases stress and promotes serenity. Now, Devika.
प्रस्तुत है तराना।
item is Odissi. Odissi is the dance form from the state of Odisha in eastern India. It has a combination of Lasya and Tandav. Graceful and mesmerizing, it appears like waves of the ocean. Odissi is famous for its presentations on poet Jayadeva's fabulous work. Colin Mascarenhas was born in Mumbai. He is a disciple of Srimati Guru Jailam Paranje and Guru Ankur Balal. Colin started his studies in Mumbai. He performed with this group at worldwide events, including festivals at National Center for the Performing Arts in Mumbai, Natyanjali Festival Mumbai, and the Chicago Consulate. Nachanti Range Srihari. Lord Krishna blissfully dances in the forest among the gopis who join in his dance by playing musical instruments and singing. Now, Colin.
Sare magare sa pa dha sa ni dha pa sare magare sa dha pa magare sa sare magare sa dha sa ni dha pa sare magare sa dha pa magare sa sare magare sa pa dha sa ni dha pa sare magare sa dha pa magare sa sare magare sa pa dha sa ni dha pa sare magare sa dha pa magare sa sare magare sa pa dha pa sa ni dha pa sare sa magare sa dha pa magare sa magare sa magare sa magare sa natonti range sri কেহু সজনী মদল କରି প্রবল পদান্তি হইণ ওল
Ram tak 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 thei thei ta dam tak tak thei tak ta thei tin thei ta thei tin thei ta tak ta janam 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 tak ta ta jena tak ta
কেহু সজনী মদল কৰি প্রবল পদান্তি হইণ ওল কেহু ধরি খঞ্জরি কেহু আলাপ করি পাধা সারে মাগারে সারে পাধা সানি ধাপা মা পাধা পাধা মা পা পাসানি ধাপা মাগারে সারে মাগারে ধাসানি ধা রে মাগারে সানি ধাপা সারে মাগারে সানি ধাপা মাগারে সাদা কেহু ধরি খঞ্জরি কেহু আলাপ করি রাসে কে সহচরি শবদ কুচারি তারি কীটা তাক দ্রিমি কীটা দ্রিমি তাক তারি কীটা তাক দ্রিমি কীটা দ্রিমি তাক কুকুন্দারি ঝেণু কিণা তা ঝেণু তাক দ্রিমি তাক কুকুন্দারি ঝেণু কিণা তা ঝেণু তাক দ্রিমি তাক তা দ্রিমি 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 উকুটান্তি কামিনী তা দ্রিমি 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 উকুটান্তি কামিনী কৃষ্ণ মানস কিণী নেউଛନ୍ତି ସେ ପୁଣି কৃষ্ণ মানস কিণী নেউଛନ୍ତି ସେ ପୁଣି ନାଚନ୍ତି ରଙ୍ଗେ ଶ୍ରୀହରି Bolo mridanga dhog dinata, bolo mridanga dhog dinata, dhog deya dinata, dhog do do dhog dinata, dhog do do dhog dinata.
tadhena tadhena tat tadhena 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 tat tadhena dinda ta tadini ta ta tadini dinda ta tadini ta ta tagri dinda ta tadini ta ta tadini dinda ta tadini tagri dinda ta tadini dinda ta tadini dinda ta tadini jai dinda
The last item is Kuchipudi. This dance from the state of Andhra Pradesh in southeastern India is highly ritualized with a formalized song and dance introduction, sprinkling of holy water and burning of incense along with the invocations of goddesses. Kuchipudi requires talent in both dancing and singing. Traditionally, the dance was performed by men, even the female roles, but now it is performed by women as well. Laksha Danton was born in Kerala. She is a professional Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi dancer. She started her training in Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi and Mohiniyattam at age 10 under the tutelage of Mrs. Kalamandalam Sumadi in her hometown. Laksha continued her studies at Kerala Chitra Foundation College of Fine Arts in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. She completed 6 years of professional certification in Bharatanatyam and began teaching. In the US, Laksha has worked as a performer and choreographer. Her work has been recognized internationally as the recipient of the 3 Yards Award for Performing Arts in 2019 and a Spark Micro Grant for Visual Arts in 2019. Tarangam, Neela Megha Sarira, Raga, Raga Maliga, composer, Narayana Tirida. Tarangam is one of the main and central pieces of any Kuchipudi dance recital. Some Tarangam involves rare footwork and various rhythmic patterns where the dancer places her feet firmly on a rim of a brass plate, performing pure nritta. In this song, Neela Megha Sarira, Laksha immerses herself in devotion while she is visualizing the Lord Krishna's enormous beauty in a blue cloud. Inspired by the captivating rendering of this song by the Kuchipudi exponent guru Padma Bhushan Srimati Swapna Sundari, Laksha shares her own moments. Nandri. Now, Laksha.
कस्तूरी तिलकम् ललाट फलके वक्षस्थले कौस्तुभम् कंठे च मुक्तावली चूडामणि विजयते गोपाल चूडामणि विजयते गोपाल चूडामणि बाल गोपाल कृष्ण पाहि पाहि नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नित्यानन्दं वेरि बाल गोपाल कृष्ण पाहि पाहि तकदिमि तकजनु तकदिमि तकिटक 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 तदिंकिनत 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 नीलमेघ शरीर 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 नित्यानन्दं वेरि बाल गोपाल कृष्ण पाहि पाहि तकदिमि तकजनु तकदिमि तकिटक 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 तदिंकिनत 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 नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नित्यानन्दं वेरि बाल गोपाल कृष्ण पाहि पाहि तकदिमि तकजनु तकदिमि तकिटक 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 तदिंकिनत 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 कलभ सुन्दर गमन कस्तूरी शोभितनन 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 नಳಿನ ದಳಾಯತನಯನ ನಂದ ನಂದನ ನಳಿನ ದಳಾಯತನಯನ ನಂದ ನಂದನ ನಳಿನ ದಳಾಯತನಯನ ನಂದ ನಂದನ ನಳಿನ ದಳಾಯತನಯನ ನಂದ ನಂದನ ಮಿಳಿತ ಗೋಪ ವಧೂಜನ ಮೀನಾಕ ಕೋಟಿ ಮೋಹನ ಮಿಳಿತ ಗೋಪ ವಧೂಜನ ಮೀನಾಕ ಕೋಟಿ ಮೋಹನ ದಳಿತ ಸಂಸಾರ ಬಂಧನ ದಾರುಣ ವೈರಿ ನಾಶನ ದಳಿತ ಸಂಸಾರ ಬಂಧನ ದಾರುಣ ವೈರಿ ನಾಶನ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಾहि ಪಾहि ತಕದಿಮಿ ತಕಜನು ತಕದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟಕ 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 ತದಿಂಕಿನತ 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 ಯತ್ಯಸ್ತ ಪಾದಾರವಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವವಂದಿತ ಮುಕುಂದ ಯತ್ಯಸ್ತ ಪಾದಾರವಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವವಂದಿತ ಮುಕುಂದ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಸ್ತ ಪಾದರವಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವವಂದಿತ ಮುಕುಂದ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಸ್ತ ಪಾದರವಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವವಂದಿತ ಮುಕುಂದ ಸತ್ಯಖಂಡ ಬೋಧಾನಂದ ಸದ್ಗುಣ ಬೃಂದ ಸತ್ಯಖಂಡ ಬೋಧಾನಂದ ಸದ್ಗುಣ ಬೃಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಸತ್ಯಸ್ಥಾಮಿತ ಭೇದಾಸಂದ ಪಾಲಿತಾನಂದ ಸೋನಂದ ಸತ್ಯಸ್ಥಾಮಿತ ಭೇದಾಸಂದ ಪಾಲಿತಾನಂದ ಸೋನಂದ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಸ್ಥಾಮಿತ ಭೇದಾಸಂದ ಪಾಲಿತಾನಂದ ಸೋನಂದ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಸ್ಥಾಮಿತ ಭೇದಾಸಂದ ಪಾಲಿತಾನಂದ ಸೋನಂದ ಸತ್ಯಸ್ಥಾಮಿತ ಭೇದಾಸಂದ ಪಾಲಿತಾನಂದ ಸೋನಂದ ಸತ್ಯಸ್ಥಾಮಿತ ಭೇದಾಸಂದ ಪಾಲಿತಾನಂದ ಸೋನಂದ ದಿತ್ತಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದ ದಿತ್ತಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ದಿತ್ತಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದ ದಿತ್ತಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದ ದಿತ್ತಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ದಿತ್ತಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದ ತಜ್ಜಂ ದಿತ್ತಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದ ತಜ್ಜಂ ದಿತ್ತಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದ ದಿತ್ತಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದ ದಿತ್ತಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದ ದಿತ್ತಂಗ ತಗ್ಗದ ನಿತ್ಯದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತೀರ್ಥ ನಿತ್ಯದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತೀರ್ಥ ನಿತ್ಯದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತೀರ್ಥ ನಿತ್ಯದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತೀರ್ಥ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾನಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಬಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಾಹಿ ಪಾಹಿ ತಕದಿನಿ ತಕದನ ತಕದಿನಿ ತಕಿಟತ 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 ತದಿಂಗಿಣತ ತದಿಂಗಿಣತ ತದಿಂಗಿಣತ.
Wow, what incredible performances, Miss Ahila. Thank you so much. The selection was top class. And I actually went into this thinking predisposition, I was going to like the Tarangam the best because I've closed out my own Arangetram with the Tarangam, but I can't choose. They were all so beautiful. And
Thank
for
you.
those who are parents out there who want their young ones to start learning, you get all of these costumes and the makeup and the beautiful hair. And I tell you, it is a definite selling point for my daughter. So anyway, our students will be also providing a performance on June 20th for the June Cultural Sunday. So make sure that you watch for Kalapriya's announcements about that performance. And next month, the Cultural Sunday will feature 3 really revolutionary Indian film directors. And I'm actually going to participate because I have very little knowledge of Indian film outside of Bollywood. So this will be a really great lesson for all of us. I wanted to also just give you a couple of updates about Kalapriya summer programming. It's been hard to do lessons in person, but we've been maintaining our class schedule on Zoom. So if you're interested, you are welcome to reach out to any of us and we can give you more information about that. We are also redoing our summer camp Journey Through South India, which covers 6 different regions of India with a curriculum of dance, art, yoga, storytelling, and more. And the kids last summer really enjoyed it. So They'll be hosted at our gorgeous facility at the South Asia Institute in the South Loop. Again, if you really enjoyed what you saw today, we appreciate any and all donations with the link that Mordian shared in the chat at the beginning of the performance, but hopefully she'll be able to share that link again for all of you now, because I'm sure you were all as inspired as I was by this incredible performance. Academy classes and tabla are offered for young people and adults alike. So if you're interested, check out our website, www.kalapriya.org, for information about that, and make sure that you join us next month for the Filmmaker series and Cultural Sundays. Otherwise, I thank you so much for being with us today to share our love of this dance form and to share our appreciation to bring arts even in times of darkness and pain. So thank you so much for being here.